Our body and our being, which is probably a more accurate word, has many different aspects of it. We have a physical aspect, that obviously that we can touch and we can feel, and we have an energetic aspect, and they are not two different things. They are two aspects of the same being. And so the philosophy of Reiki is that when there is an imbalance energetically, it will manifest through into a physical. And it always goes in that order. The imbalance happens energetically first and then manifests through into the physical. Now, sometimes that happens very quickly. For example, if a person has some type of a trauma or is in, let's say, an accident or that type of thing, obviously the physical manifestations of injuries, let's say, will happen very quickly. Energetically, they show up first, and then they manifest through into the physical. Now, there's other ones that may take a long, long time. Many times those are emotionally based. And actually what we have found is that, and I'm going to go so far as to say all manifestations of physical imbalances or diseases, as many times the word has been used, have their roots, or at least a very large aspect of it, in an emotion or emotions. And so that emotional baggage, those emotional traumas that we carry with us, sometimes they will take many years before they eventually manifest through into the physical, but they will. And once again, the physical manifestations of imbalances, anything less than perfect health and wellness, has its roots in an energetic imbalance. So what we do with Reiki is we work with the energetic aspect of your body. So it's not like, let's say, for instance, we have many massage therapists that come and take the Reiki certification. So it's not like they will do massage therapy now and then they will do Reiki, because we are all, it's just different aspects of the same person, so the two will flow together. So in following along with that, it's important that we look after our energetic selves, and we do, let's say, energetic exercises. So it's different things like meditations, relaxations, this type of thing. But at the same time, it's also important that we look after ourselves physically. So we could have a client come to us, or we, and one of the things we will talk about is doing self-treatments on yourself. We can do all these self-treatments and all that type of stuff and balance ourselves energetically, but if we go out and we eat like 8 cheeseburgers a day, we are not going to enjoy the optimal fitness and healthfulness. And if it's somebody that we are treating, we can energetically balance them until the cows come home. But unless they kind of do a piece on their part, and it doesn't mean that we have to be Olympian athletes or, our diet has to be super, super clean, but just some balance. And so in the first couple of pages, actually, of your manual, we talk about the importance of water and the importance of proper nutrition, because our body is a whole, and the energetic and the physical are intertwined. And so as I say, it doesn't mean you have to be, super, super clean in your eating habits and your exercising and all this type of thing. But if you wish to be as effective as you can be as a practitioner, or even just as yourself in your own healthfulness and wellness, then it's important that there's a balance. There's those energetic nutrients that you give yourself, relaxation, meditation, those type of things, Reiki, and there's also the physical. So again, we are one being, two aspects, the energetic and the physical. As we treat each one to the best of our ability, we will be at our most optimum healthfulness, wellness, and effectiveness as a practitioner.